Hi and welcome back to today's morning report on Wednesday the 7th of January with me, Rich Pro Market Analyst at Tech Markets. Let's move on to dollar yen now, and a very interesting chart I think we've got going on with dollar yen. In the fact that I highlighted in the morning report that we've got several reasons why 119 big figure is a fairly important level now. It's the 161.8% Fibonacci projection, which means it's a consolidation area. It's the resistance from this November high. It's also a support area from the late December lows, just slightly under there, but still. And it also marks from that December low, if I zoom out on the intraday hourly chart, it's sort of this big top area that we've had, a couple of sort of like a double top almost, and that broke to the downside yesterday, and that actually gave us a downside target, projection target of 117 big figure. Now, interesting, because be careful, because bull market corrections tend to undershoot their downside targets before the buyers come in. They come in at get a little bit tempted to come in earlier and therefore support it earlier. Now we've seen a low of 118.04. But subsequently, we've now seen the pullback, and this is where we are at the moment. We're trading around this 119 figure area, and that is sort of like the neckline of this pattern. And I think 119 big figure subsequently is therefore a key near-term level. Exactly how dollar yen treats 119 big figure could determine whether the bulls or the bears are in control of this near term. Now, I think any sort of support and move above 119 figure would suggest that maybe this 118.04 is the low, but if not, if it consistently falls back to below 119 big figure, which at the moment it's trading below it, having gone back above it, so maybe there is a slight bit of apprehension about backing a rally immediately on this and moving away from the yen, because obviously the yen has been a big safe haven trader the last few days, very much in favour as this market turmoil has sort of kicked off the year, and it'll be very interesting to see if this 119 figure mark how the dollar traders react to that. Subsequently, we're in a bit of a wait and see mode, I think. As I said, if you start to see the yen trading decisively below 119 figure, I'd say that we're going to retest that 118.04 mark, and subsequently maybe further correction to the downside. But ultimately, I see it as a medium-term buy on dollar yen. Any sort of weakness in dollar yen, I think, is a buy signal, a nice opportunity to get back in at a lower level. Because just across the board, pretty much all these momentum indicators in bullish configuration on the daily chart, and just suggest that this is just near-term corrective, and that those stochastics falling away quite quickly suggest that as well. So near-term corrective on a very short-term basis, maybe onto the downside. However, I think ultimately it will be a medium-term buy on dollar yen with further gains to be seen in due course. Now, so watching out for that 119 figure level is what I am doing today. Okay, I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I will speak to you later. Thank you.